Hi everyone, and welcome to week 11 of Writing 213. I see that most of you have turned in your last papers, and I'm looking forward to reading and responding to those this week. It might take me a little bit more than a week. I got a lot of papers today. So your next major project is going to be a multimedia presentation. It's going to be due in week 15, and it's the last major project we do for this class. So one of the first things that I want you to do this week is to read over the multimedia presentation requirements. I've offered you a couple of different sample projects here because you might choose a lot of different modes. You could choose a podcast or a slideshow with a voiceover. You could write a traditional academic paper. If you do that, I'll challenge you to think about how you might represent what you're talking about visually or in a different kind of way. You might make a video or a song or a voice thread. Really, the sky is the limit, and I want you to think creatively about how you might approach the topic that you want to write about, which should be a local problem related to your career area of interest. It should be at least somewhat different than the paper that you just wrote, but it could be related. In any case, this is a good time to start brainstorming, doing some initial reading about your project and what you might want to accomplish. So this week I've included a small amount of reading, a media bias chart, and then a kind of a funny article about how words get added to the dictionary. And then we'll engage in a large group workshop. This one will work a little bit differently on multimodal projects. It's not as easy to just comment in the Google Doc as we have in other assignments. So instead, you'll write your response in this separate Google Doc here so we can talk about these projects more fully. Anyway, I hope everyone's having a good week. Make sure that you check in with me if you have any questions. Take care.